Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekka Reviews, and in today's video we have the Ekrist Power Bank, a portable charger which you can use to charge your devices, all for a great and affordable price. As always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Ekrist Power Bank is a portable charger which you can use to charge your mobile phones, tablets, cameras and much more. The 26,800 mAh charger provides you with plenty of room to juice your household products multiple times and contains two polymer batteries built inside, which lets you charge two devices simultaneously at 2.1 or 1 amp output. The 4 LED lights on top indicate the level of charges left, so you know exactly when it's time to reboost your power bank. Finally, for health and safety, the device also contains overcurrent and short circuit protection, as well as 24 months warranty in case any problems pop up in the future. In regards to the product breakdown, on top you have the power button, as well as 4 LED lights to highlight the charge level remaining. Towards the bottom, you have 2 USB ports to charge your connected devices, and 1 micro USB port to charge your Ekrist power bank. Now, in terms of the packaging, on the front, you have the Ekrist power bank, an image of the device. On the back, you get a safety warning and technical information. Inside the box, you get the Ekrist power bank, as well as 1 micro USB cable and instructions on how to set up your device. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Connect the micro USB cable to your power bank, and then connect the second end to a power supply. Once the device is fully charged, connect the power bank to your device, switch the power on, and you should be good to go from here. Now for some testing. When charging the Ekrist power bank from my computer, it took roughly around 12 hours to fully charge, where the 4 LED lights had then appeared. However, when charging from the mains, it took roughly around 3 hours to complete, which was a lot faster. Finally, when testing the power bank using my mobile phone, it took roughly around 90 minutes until my device was fully charged, and once done, I still had 4 lights remaining. Overall, if you're in the market for a reliable power bank, which you can take with you on the go and use multiple times, then the Ekrist power bank is a device you should definitely look into. The 2 built-in batteries help give this product a longer usage time, and its small compact design doesn't take up too much room inside your bag. My only complaint is that the product does not include a power adapter to quickly charge the product within 3 hours. So if you don't have a spare one lying around at home, you may need to wait a little longer until your device is fully charged. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Ekrist power bank from Amazon for around £20, and you can find the link to purchase this product in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Today's product gets a Tekka rating of 4 out of 5 stars due to no power adapter being supplied. However, if you've got a spare one lying around at home, then you should definitely look at purchasing this product. Let me know what you guys think of the Ekrist power bank in the description below. I'm Mohammed from Tekka Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.